now to the Snoot Boots. So these are a plastic cap. You just got to take one bolt out on this right here. There's just a nut on the bottom, and they actually snap right over the cast one. And that helped us a couple of years ago with that down corn sliding up the nose. Plus you can see them, so they were handy for that. All right, 12 more after this one, Eric.
See, look at that. So the biggest benefit of the Snoot Boot is when you have down corn or combining at night with that high-vis tape on here, it helps you to keep that row center. Another great benefit of our Snoot Boots is OEM come with a metal point, and therefore when you're in sticky corn or if it's dewy out, you get leaves that are going to stick to it, and sometimes you may get a stalk that's down. You do a lot of pushing. With the UHMW Snoot Boots, nothing's going to stick to it. Again, with that high-vis tape on there, nice reflection, allows you to keep that row center.
Boy, look at those Snoot Boots just pop.
Yeah, look at those. They've been working pretty nice.
You know what's really cool about that, Zach? So you got corn laying, and obviously it's extremely difficult to see down the road. And that reflective tape on that Snoot Boot sure helps out a ton. It keeps you right on row center.
Yeah, even just the yellow color of it, it's so much easier to see where the snouts are.
Right.
You can order your May West Snoot Boots at your local May West dealer. Check us out online at maywest.com or give us a call, 1-800-788-6483.